chemical and process engineering? Before answering to that, let me bring your attention to another question. What are your basic needs in day-to-day life? Think about your birth. Your mother needs epidural. Think about your death. Your body needs formalin. From birth to death, you need many other things as well. Early in the morning, you need toothpaste to brush your teeth. Then you need food and water to eat and drink. When you are ill, you need medicine. Do you like to be naked? I am sure you are not. So you need clothes to cover your body. You need vehicles to go here and there, and those vehicles need fuel. Can you live without these electronic stuff such as smartphones, laptops, televisions, and printers? After a tiresome day, you need your home sweet home to sleep well. Think about this COVID-19 pandemic situation. To defeat COVID-19, we all should need vaccines. Did you think how all those things you need from birth to death are made actually? You may have taken them for granted, but all those were actually made with the help of chemical engineering. So, what is this chemical and process engineering? Chemical and process engineering is design and development of processes to produce, transform, transport and properly use of materials and energy in environmentally, socially and economically effective ways by applying the knowledge of physical sciences, life sciences, mathematics and economics. Now let's see the difference between chemistry and chemical engineering. It's true that chemical engineers are comfortable with chemistry, but they do much more with this knowledge than just make chemicals. It's all about originality and scale. Chemists are more likely to develop novel materials and processes in lab scale. Chemical engineers bring those lab-scale products and processes to industrial scale through pilot scale efficiently and sustainably. Chemical and process engineers play an important role in the process of converting raw materials to useful products. When converting raw materials to useful products, different unit operations are used. Now, what are these unit operations? Let's take sugar manufacturing process as an example. Raw material is sugarcane, and we need to convert sugarcane to sugar crystals. First of all, we need to extract juice from sugarcane. Then the extracted juice is purified. We call it clarification. Then we need to evaporate water from the clarified juice and concentrate the solution. Finally, we make sugar crystals from the concentrated solution. That is called crystallization. These units, extraction, clarification, evaporation, and crystallization are the major unit operations of sugar manufacturing process. These unit operations involve a physical or chemical or biological transformation. Like in sugar manufacturing, there are unit production processes available for all your day-to-day needs such as pharmaceuticals, food, electronic items, construction materials, and so on. these processes consist of different unit operations. Plan and design, operation, control, and optimization of these unit operations are done by chemical engineers. Chemical engineers involved in unit operations not only in production process. They plan and design, operate, control and optimize unit operations in raw material extraction and product disposal phase also. We all know that converting raw materials to useful products generate many kinds of waste streams. Chemical engineers plan, design, operate, control and optimize the unit operations in order to minimize the pollution as well. They always do this according to the sustainable development concepts. Now, if I tell you in a concise way what chemical and process engineers do, they plan, design, operate, control and optimize of unit operations and processes for the purpose of production, transformation and transportation of materials and safe disposal or recycling them after the use phase. It is very clear that chemical engineers play an important role in the entire life cycle of a product or process. Chemical and process engineers mainly deal with the fundamentals of thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, fluid mechanics, mass, momentum and energy transfer. In addition to that, they also deal with several other fields such as materials, energy generation and utilization, separation and mixing processes, modeling, simulation and process controls, optimization and cleaner production, process research, design and development, occupational safety and health, pollution control and waste recovery, and also with sustainability. There are two major destinations for chemical and process engineering graduates: industry and academic and research. If we talk about the industry, there are countless number of industries where chemical engineering is used in. These are the industries in Sri Lanka where chemical and process engineers can work. You can see the industries related to chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food, beverages, water treatment, ceramics, and so on. When we talk about academic and research, you can go for your higher studies to any reputed universities in all over the world. These red dots indicate where our former graduates are reading for their PhDs. In a few minutes, you can listen to the success stories of our past graduates who are performing well in the industry and academic field.